Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, or what? No. Why can't I just do this? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you most likely are. So if you are, you should definitely hit the subscribe button below. I do a variety of different things on my channel and would love to have you stick around for a little bit if you want to. You don't have to, but it would be nice and I would really appreciate it. So yeah, okay. Recently, not very recently, in the last few years, H&M has heard the internet call them a lot of different things because of their questionable clothing tactics and stuff. They're probably one of the biggest and most famous fast fashion companies. So after hearing the reviews, they decided to make their H&M Conscious line. It's been around I think for 2 or 3 years now. They recently started really pushing it. A lot of big influencers like Avery Over did a partnership with them, so they're really trying to push their sustainable brand. I was always very skeptical. I don't hate H&M. I don't want this to be like a I hate H&M. I do like them. I do in the recent years, especially in like the last probably 9 to 12 months, I have noticed a significant increase in their quality, and there's a lot of staple items that I really like to buy there. For the first thing is their sunglasses. I pretty much always buy their sunglasses. I love them and I find them pretty good quality for a $12 pair of sunglasses. Another thing that I like to buy from them is their basic t-shirts and their knit sweaters. They have some lines that are a little bit higher quality. They have a higher price point, but they feel a little bit better. I really like them. So there are some like staples and basics that I will absolutely go to H&M for, like that kind of stuff. So this is not an I hate H&M. Like, I have no negative bias towards them because I do spend money there. I do purchase business apparel from there. I do like their clothes. I do like their clothes. This is not an I hate H&M video. This is a review of a line that I haven't tried before, and I have liked some of their higher quality lines in the past. So I decided to put their sustainable line to the test. I have not tried it yet. I don't think I have a single item from this line, like the H&M Conscious line, right off the bat. Given the whole pandemic, the shipping was really quick on it. They processed my order really quickly. I think I ordered about a week and a half ago and it got here yesterday. So that's amazing. If you are a member of H&M, you also get free shipping on all your orders as well as free returns, which is huge because companies like H&M typically charge for returns. I also wanted to get a mix of basics and things that I haven't tried from them before. And I'm also going to tell you if I'm returning something and why I'm making that decision to return, just because I think transparency in these types of videos is key. I know there are a lot of people who make these kinds of videos and then return the stuff and don't say why, but if I'm returning something, I'm going to tell you guys exactly why I'm returning. So the first item that I got is this red turtleneck top. Oh my gosh. It's just a red turtleneck top. The main reason I got this is because I've been looking for a red turtleneck, and also they didn't have it in my size, so it's an extra large, so it's gonna be a little bit this is an extra large, so it's about a size or two too big. I really like the look of it. It is a little bit see-through, but honestly it's not that big of a deal in this case because it's just a basic that I'm gonna wear under stuff in most cases, but also I don't think it'll be see-through if I have a nude bra on because the bra will match my skin. It has a special green tag that says H&M Conscious, and it's made with 100% Tencel lyocell. That's all the information I have on this particular piece. The fabric is very soft. I've never felt a fabric like this before. It's like half stiff, half stretchy, but I honestly don't hate it. The stitching is very well done. I think that overall this is a really nice piece, and for this I paid, it was meant to be $20, but I got it for $16.99 because I had a coupon code. So I only paid $17 for it, and I think that for a $17 shirt, I think it'll stand the test of time, to be honest. The next thing I got is this dress. I honestly don't know why I said dress so weird right there. It's a dress, not a rest. Like, I had high expectations. Unfortunately, they were not met. So this is the dress. I wanted to get a pretty summer dress. It's white and black polka dot. I got it in an extra large because I knew it wouldn't be stretchy, but I think I should have gotten an extra large and I would have been fine, but the quality is okay. It's not amazing. I paid $25.49 for it, so it was still pretty pricey given the quality. I don't think that it's a great quality dress. I think that this is one of those kinds of dresses that would only last me one summer. The fabric is kind of is very stiff, but it doesn't feel like soft. It's not like to compare to my American Eagle dresses where the fabric is still like blouse fabric, but they still have like a softer touch and it doesn't feel weird on my skin. This does feel weird on my skin, and I think I'm going to return it because A, it's too big, B, it's a dress that's gonna wrinkle really easily just because of the fabric, and to be perfectly honest with you, I'm lazy and I know that I'm not going to put in the work to wear it. And yeah, I mean, it's a pretty expensive dress that I'm not gonna wear. It's too big and I don't think that I love the fabric or the look of the dress on me. So I really like the idea of it. I think it's there and I think it's just me being picky, but for me it's just a no. I got this smocked t-shirt. I had high expectations for this as well. There's nothing actually wrong with the style, it just didn't look good on me. This is in an extra large. It's a smocked off the shoulder. It could be off the shoulder, it can be like a square neck. It just wasn't what I wanted it to be on me. It cost $14.99, which is not that bad at all. It's from their divided line still, but it's still conscious. I find that their divided line typically doesn't look good on me. I find that the sizing is also a little bit different for divided and their just regular line. Divided is more geared towards younger girls, like in their teens, so the proportions aren't as accurate to my body and as to normal stores as their regular line, I find. Yeah, this is just an extra large. I think I wish that this looked good on me and I really wanted it to be like my vibe, but like I find that the sleeves were just too thin for it to look good on me, but otherwise it was good. I just think that this isn't thick enough for it to look good on my big old arms. Would I suggest that you buy this? Like, yes, if it's your style and you think that you're gonna like it, I would. The fabric is pretty good quality, it stretches nicely, and is one of those tops that would be comfortable if it weren't for the fact that I have insecurities that involve the construction of this piece. It's just not for me. It's just not for me, but there's nothing wrong with it, which is why I'm returning it, and I hope that somebody else will be able to love it. And finally, this is the item that I really wanted to do this whole video for because I have never tried this specific thing from them before. Oh, wait, no, I have two more pieces. Haha, lied. These are the vintage slim high-waisted jeans with a button fly, and these are in the straight size, like, sorry, straight fit. I got these in a size 16 because I know that they have historically small size of jeans, and also because there is no stretch really to these jeans at all. Maybe there's a little bit. No, not really. It's pretty stiff. Let's start from the top and then work our way down. The waist sizing is perfect. The waist is perfect for me. I'm usually a size 12 or 14 in jeans. I got a size 16 to be safe, and that was pretty accurate, so maybe size up in these. I love that there's a button fly. I think that the button fly is really cool. I don't have any jeans with that, so I was really excited to see that. I thought that they would be difficult to put on, but they absolutely were not. They did fine. These are made with recycled fibers. It specifies it on the tag, which I think is interesting. It's made with 20% recycled cotton from post-consumer textile waste from collected garments. So they do have a garment collection thing in their stores, and I guess that's where the fabric comes from for 20% of the jeans, which I think is cool. I think the color is beautiful. I think that this dark wash denim is very pretty. I think it actually goes well with this particular sweater that I'm wearing. The pants, they're great actually. They're pretty good. The only issue is that for some odd reason, I don't know why, but they flare out at the bottom, and I don't know if it's just the way that my legs are, where my thighs are bigger than my legs themselves, but it just looks weird. I don't know why. I can't explain it. I think it may just be my leg proportions, but they look like they flare, and that is just not the look I'm going for. I might try them on again and see what I can do because I did really like them. They are $27.99, which is pretty good for a pair of jeans after a discount. I got a $12 coupon for them, so it was actually $40 and then the $12. Anyways, the idea of them was there. I think that the proportions are pretty good in terms of the waist. The pocket placement is good, where it gives your butt like a lifting effect rather than I find like on American Eagle jeans, it kind of makes your butt look a little bit saggy. And yeah, I like that they're stiff denim, but I just think that they are not meant for my body, at least not in its current state, so I may try them on again and see how I feel about them then, but right now I just think that the flare at the ankles is just odd. I don't think that's like I don't know why that is.
I didn't specify in this video, but I did actually end up returning them just because I didn't want to have to pay for jeans and then have to pay to have them altered. It just seemed counterintuitive.
I don't know why they look flared. They are also really cropped, and my legs are the longest part of my body, so they do also hit at a weird spot. So if they have a longer inseam, I think I would consider repurchasing. So I think if you are shorter than 5'8", I think that these could be great for you. And let me know if anybody has ever tried these jeans and has found that they flare out at the bottom, because I think that might just be me, but I don't know. And then the last piece is an accessory, and I specifically purchased this because I had purchased it previously in the size bigger and it was way too big, and so I was like, oh, okay, so I got the extra large in this, so if I get the large it should fit perfectly. It didn't, but I tried. And it's a Western style belt. I'm gonna try it on again with a pair of jeans and see if they fit. But this isn't part of their green line, this is just a regular belt. But it actually does look pretty short if you ask me. I got the extra large and it was like significantly larger than this, to the point where I could put it on the last hook and still have ample room. So that was odd. This was $14.99, which isn't bad for a belt, but it just did not fit, which is sad because I'm still on the lookout for a good Western belt. So if anybody knows where I can get one that will actually fit me, let me know. Those are all of the items. Out of everything, I am only 100% keeping the red shirt. The rest of them I can live without, especially the dress and the belt and the smock top. The jeans, I wish so badly that they were long enough for me and also not flaring at the bottom, like I mentioned like a million times. I do think that it's still a great line. I do think that they are doing something really good here with trying to make their brand a little bit more ecologically friendly. Again, I don't hate H&M at all. I do purchase from them semi-regularly, so this isn't an I hate H&M thing. I think that the quality is still there and that there's still good things about the brand, and I do appreciate what they're trying to do for the environment. Let me know if you've ever tried their Conscious brand. Let me know what your opinions on the brand itself is. I would love to have some helpful, healthy conversation about that. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe below. I'm testing out a bunch of different things, so I would love it if you guys stuck around. I also would like to know if there's any other brands you guys would like me to review, because I'm always looking for new things to try. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.